annual health fair, and rock and roll was our theme this year. We're real excited to have all employees come out and spend, an hour or so of their time and concentrate on their health and have some fun while we're doing it as well. We've got a great smoothie machine this year where you get on a bike and make your own smoothie. We've got healthy trail mix that people can mix up themselves so they can learn and enjoy a healthy snack. And then we also have men's health and women's health and all types of information about AFLAC, our other benefits that we have here. A great turnout this year. And we have all different types of benefits available, and this is where people can learn about it in a fun environment and be social and get information.
We are the benefits consultants for the City of Pompano Beach. It's our first wellness event with them, and it was absolutely fantastic. It's a new relationship with the City of Pompano Beach. We are an extension of your Human Resources Department, so we oversee the employee benefits. The energy was great. We had a good steady flow all day. I thoroughly enjoyed interacting with the employees. Everybody was wonderful.
Today I'm here at the City of Pompano, and I'm the designated nurse, and I sit with members that have the insurance, and I educate them on health and wellness, how to improve their blood pressure, their cholesterol, their glucose, educate them on how to eat healthy and incorporate physical activity in their lifestyle.
It's a great opportunity for us to meet all the employees. We give all the employees a lot of great information, a lot of great tools to have a healthier lifestyle, and ultimately help to make them happier employees.
Here today to inform the city. Really, we want to promote wellness. Like, my vision for the studio is a community wellness space. Especially, I love the City of Pompano. It's like so into wellness for their employees. So however we can support that as a yoga and meditation business, I want to do that.